In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Figjam connector points in Figma. Whether you're new to Figma or a seasoned user, this guide will simplify the process of using connector points, which are essential for creating dynamic and interactive diagrams. First, let's start by navigating to Figma's website, a widely used collaborative interface design tool. You can open up your preferred web browser and head over to figma.com. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you haven't signed in yet, you'll spot the Login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on it. Enter your credentials, and you'll be taken straight to your home page. Now that you're logged onto Figma, it's time to find Figjam. Figjam is essentially a whiteboarding feature within Figma where you can brainstorm and diagram ideas collaboratively. Once you're on the home page, navigate to the section where you can see the list of files and options. Look for the option labelled Figjam. Clicking on the Figjam button will open up a new canvas. With Figjam loaded, you now have the base to create and manipulate various elements, but a key part of creating interactive and meaningful diagrams is using connectors. These are lines or paths that join different shapes or objects, making your diagrams coherent and easy to follow. To add these, locate the connector tool in the toolbar. This tool is usually identifiable by an icon that looks like a line connecting two dots or circles. Click on it and you'll activate the connector functionality. Now, you can click on any object in your Figjam canvas to start a connector path. Drag your line towards another object, letting go once you have reached the destination point. Voila! You've just added a connector point. Using connector points effectively can significantly enhance the readability and professionalism of your diagrams. They help in establishing relationships between different components, which can be particularly useful when constructing flowcharts, organizational charts, or brainstorming sessions. One tip to keep in mind while using these connectors is to ensure that your lines are not too cluttered or crossing over unnecessarily. This helps in maintaining a clear visual structure and makes it easier for team members or clients to understand the diagram at a glance. You can also customize the appearance of these connectors by adjusting their thickness or style within the properties panel, ensuring they stand out or blend in as you prefer. In conclusion, with the combination of Figjam and connectors in Figma, you possess a powerful toolkit to transform your ideas into workable plans efficiently. So head over to Figma, experiment with these steps, and elevate your design projects to new heights. Thank you for watching, and happy designing.